A man in the car was suddenly burned by the sun. He panicked and looked up at the sky. He saw a hole burned in the Earth's atmosphere by the sun. The seawater exposed to the sun instantly boiled. All creatures in the ocean were cooked alive. What was even scarier was the scorching sunlight kept moving. The sun was about to shine on the nearby bridge. In just a few seconds, the entire bridge melted away. The car tires melted like chocolate. The high-temperature light approached the densely populated city. But the sudden disaster on Earth was not the only one. The sky over Italy suddenly turned cloudy. Metal all over the city was filled with electric current. The TV showing the World Cup malfunctioned. The man wanted to fix it, but the next moment a terrifying scene happened. A huge amount of lightning wildly struck the ground. This frightening scene scared everyone to run. The whole city was struck by lightning and turned to ruins. Meanwhile, another abnormal event occurred in London, France. Countless crows suddenly attacked people in the city. Many citizens were injured, and the traffic in the entire city instantly collapsed. Even those hiding indoors couldn't escape the crow attacks. These unusual disasters immediately caught the attention of the United Nations. They quickly contacted geomagnetic expert Carl. When Carl learned of these frequent supernatural events, he immediately felt a bad omen. Carl hurried to research massive data. He ran simulations using models and calculations. Finally, Carl reached a shocking conclusion. The Earth's magnetic field was seriously damaged. The end of the world was near. The high-level officials held an emergency meeting. Everyone wanted to know what was happening. So Carl took out a peach to explain. If the peach's skin represented the Earth's surface, the flesh inside represented the mantle. Then the pit represented the core. The core has two parts, the inner core and the outer core. The outer core is a circle of hot liquid metal. It flows quickly around the inner core. The fast movement of hot metal creates the magnetic field. Now the Earth's magnetic poles are gradually disappearing, and the only way to save humanity is to restart the core.